Professor Doug Hilton's discoveries regarding regulation of blood cell production have made him one of the most acclaimed biomedical scientists in the world.
What's been most special are those eureka moments. Just that moment when you look down at your lab book or a piece of data and you realise you now understand something that nobody else has understood. That's a really special moment, something that, still sends tingles up my spine now.
One of those moments was the original discovery of a protein called leukemia inhibitory factor, or LIF.
It was the end of my honours year. I'd only been working in the lab 10 months and I was running a particular protein chemistry column, and it had expected to see a mess, and there was just one beautiful single protein sitting in the collecting tube, and that was exceptionally exciting. I knew at that point we'd purified the hormone and it had gone well, and the rest is history.
Professor Hilton has also made several original discoveries that have led to a better understanding of the blood cell system. This information, along with evidence gleaned from his original LIF discovery, is currently being used to develop new medications for the treatment of leukemia, asthma, allergies and rheumatoid arthritis.
What we're looking to do is to design therapies that are more specific and have less side effects. So for example, in the current treatment of rheumatoid arthritis, some of the therapies are quite effective, but the side effects are, pretty bad. If we can get the same outcome for the patients without the side effects, and that's the sort of outcome we're looking for. I think that personalisation of medicine, rather than medicine that treats everybody in the same way, is something that's going to be truly exciting and inspiring in the next 20 years.
Professor Hilton is known as a strong collaborator and a great mentor for young scientists.
To be able to work with 20 and 21-year-olds that come across from Melbourne Uni, or the PhD students in their early 20s, or the postdocs in their late 20s, and to have the smartest minds in the country is just a great privilege. It makes it fun. And I guess I'd like to be thought of as a scientist who had, with their colleagues, made some interesting discoveries that have stood the test of time and been generous with collaborators. Philanthropy and the Ramaciotti Foundation really play a key role in the life of Australian health and medical research. I think the Ramaciotti has a real history of supporting young researchers, giving them that first grant that gets them off and running, and that really fits with the culture that we have at the Institute as well. So we feel a special affinity with the Ramaciottis. The Ramaciotti Medal is really special to me. One of the facilities that we have at the Institute is a mouse house out at Kew, and that was built 40 years ago and was one of the first scientific contributions the Ramaciottis made, and that animal room's played a key role in my science, and therefore winning this medal means an awful lot. It's very humbling to win it.